Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 3 of the Cougar Connection. This week was our first full week of school at Simons Middle School, and as you can see, students are still wearing their Can Wilma shirts on Friday, so awesome job, kids. We also had some of our materials from one of our grants come in, and you can see up there in the weekly pictures that we have some students assembling some tables for Mrs. Wagner. And we also had students who were starting on some of their service work for their BPIs. And I just want to take a moment and say, parents, if you would like to volunteer or you have something that you would like to assist with at Simons Middle School, please make sure that you get in contact with us. We would love to have you. And I'm sure that there are a wide range of things that you can offer for students and to help us with at Simons Middle School. So you can get in contact with us by calling or by email. My email is down here in the weekly newsletter. Or you can text at SimonsMI to 81010. And if you have not done so already, please make sure that you do sign up for the Remind text messaging. Something that a parent told me about this week that they didn't realize, so I'm just going to clear that up real fast, is that Remind is actually a two-way communication service. So if you text back the number to Remind, you are text messaging me directly, and that is a private message. I'm the only person who gets to see that. It doesn't send it back out to the entire group. It's just me. So if you need to get in contact with me, maybe you have something for the Cougar Connection, maybe you have something for the daily announcements, please, sign up for Remind, and you can always send a message right back. So this week we want to take just a moment to recognize our student spotlight. Our student spotlight is Logan Norris. Logan is a 7th grade student on the Red Jaguar team here at Simons Middle School. I think Logan is most excited this year about STLP because he likes building things on the computer. Logan likes to play his trumpet, and he also likes to spend time with his dog, Zelda. Logan has been a standout student in the arts. He has participated in several theater productions, including his most recent, which was the Music Man Jr. with the Maysville Players. People who work with Logan on the set of those plays have described him as very dedicated. He spends hours memorizing his lines. So we are recognizing him this week for our student spotlight for demonstrating a Can Wilma's attitude and Can Wilma's work ethic. Also this week, our staff spotlight is going to be Miss Pam McGlone. If you do not know Miss McGlone, you just obviously have not met her because she's someone you would never forget. She is our library media specialist here at Simons Middle School, and she is always working to make things better. There's a lot of people who do a lot of stuff behind the scenes at SMS, and she is one of those who, she's making it happen by all the hard work that she does. So we just want to take a moment and thank you, Miss McGlone, for everything that you do for us. She's just wonderful to have around, and she cares about kids, and she's always, doing what is best for students. So thank you, Miss McGlone. Just a few upcoming reminders. I know that we do have several fundraisers going on right now, so parents and students, if you have fundraisers for shirts, Can Wilma shirts, or fan cloth, and you wish to participate in those, please make sure that you get your money turned in ASAP. Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 9 in the morning. Also, staff, if you are involved in restraint training, that is at FES on Monday at 3:45. We also have the Kentucky State University delivering fish to our Cougar Hill Farm project. So students, I know some of you are involved in that. That's going to be very exciting. We have a time capsule meeting for those teachers and staff who are involved in that at 12 o'clock on Tuesday in the conference room during lunch. Girls basketball versus Lewis County on Tuesday. Good luck, girls basketball team. Leadership team meeting at 3:15 on Tuesday in the conference room after school. And on Wednesday, we will be having Fall Picture Day. So students and parents, make sure you dress nice for Fall Picture Day. We'll also have a faculty meeting in the library at 3:30. Please, staff, make sure you bring your Chromebooks. Thursday will be our very first PLC day of the year. Girls basketball team will verse West Carter that night at West Carter. And on Friday, students, please make sure that you wear your Can Wilma t-shirts. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.